Backstitch. Backstitch, this is a permanent stitch we're using for sewing, and it looks on the face side, it looks like machine straight stitching. On inside, it's have a little bit overlap stitches. It's very common for using an area which you're not able to use for with machine. For example, some very sick area, or some like where you're not able to go in, like some zipper or some like alteration. If you want to make some repayment, this is we will be using this stitch. For the beginning, you could do knot, or we can do back stitch. I will show you how to do back stitch. Go inside 1/4 inch forward from the edge, keep your needle, leave like 1/2 inch thread inside, and I'm going backward 1/8, and I'm pushing my needle from inside up 1/8 up forward, and again I'm going backward to the same spot where is my first stitch been, and moving forward 1/8 my needle. This is how it looks. This is very nice stitch on the face side. This looks like it's done by machine. A lot of couture work using the stitch, and it's very delicate. Do very small short stitches, 1/8 long, going always backward where you start. I'm using my symbol to push, hold with my fingers, my layers to lay flat. And always going from inside up. And you can see on insides, the stitches looks a little overlap. On the face side, it looks very nice and neat, small stitches. And just continue your sample until the end. You could use a stitch for embroidery, for some alteration, for fixing your garment. For example, if you want, you can sew your zipper attach instead of sewing some material very heavy and you will not able to use sewing machine. This is your helpful stitch you can use instead of using machine. It's very delicate, time consuming. Do small same size stitches and your work will be beautiful. We have a couple more inches to finish, and I'm using my symbol to push my needle with thread. It's very convenient when you're working with thick materials, and you can protect your fingers. And you don't need to be worried. You can pin yourself. When you're selecting your symbol, make sure it fits your finger. middle finger because they're selling them different sizes. Just try your symbol before you buying your. They have like leather, they have metal ones, they have different variation. Just choose what you like for your hand sewing and make sure it fits you perfectly. Not loose, not too tight, because it's not comfortable if your tools is not fitting you properly. In the end, I will do double couple back stitches to support my end from fraying. And I will just make a little knot at the end. Cut your thread. This is our back stitch on the face side. Nice, beautiful, even stitches 1/8 long. On the back, they little overlap, but the most beautiful part is our face side. This is our back stitch.